What's up, guys? It's your girl Rena Ken. I'm here with another lit video, and yes, I know I look a hot mess express, but um, who doesn't look a hot mess while preparing a Thanksgiving meal? And in this episode, I will be preparing this papa, this bad boy right here, right here. Um, it's my first time making a turkey, so I hope our turns out great, not dry, and delicious and scrumptious. This one is 13 pounds. I'm nervous, guys. This is my first time hosting Thanksgiving. Regardless if it's a big crowd or a small crowd or just my immediate family, it's still my first time hosting. And actually, my ham. So I'm looking for some ham, some mashed potatoes, some Spanish rice. I was gonna do gandules. I don't think I'm gonna do gandules. I think I'm gonna do it with habichuelas. I'm not too sure. But I have that on the menu. I got some stuffing on the menu. I got some gravy on the menu. I got some sweet yams. That's like what I'm looking forward to. Oh, and the cornbread. So I'm making some cornbread. I got something. You'll see it later. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, let's get right into it. Let's prepare this bad boy. Bear with me. Stay tuned. Pray for me, guys. That comes out very, very And if you haven't done so, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. To everyone in your neighborhood, your neighbors, your friends, your brother, your sister, especially if you got a brother or uncle. Holla at me if you're single. No, I'm just kidding. Can't be alone for the holidays. Yes, you can. Please. Anywho, peace out, guys. Stay tuned. So I got some lime juice out, garlic, some of my abuelita's very own homemade sofrito. See right there. She even labels it, guys. Sofrito. It's fresh. Um, then of course I'm gonna need some of my dry seasonings. Got some for some color. I'll do this instead. Alright, for the dry seasonings, I also have good old oregano. Set that aside. Garlic powder, even though I have garlic there. Some adobo with cumin. Onion powder, even though I'm going to be stuffing it with onion. Some fresh ground pepper. I have here a chicken bouillon, which I'm going to just be using very little of it. But I want to crush this down. Okay. Lastly, guys, we're going to add the bay leaves. We're going to stuff it with the bay leaves. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Raina Raquel, and I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. I want to say to all my YouTube family, to all my YouTube subscribers, y'all all like family. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody had a thankful Thanksgiving with family, with friends, and just staying humble and, being grateful for all your blessings, due to COVID over the last, 2-3 years now. I lost track. We couldn't be together, and, a lot of us are making it happen. And to those who did, more blessings to you guys. I hope everyone who's watching has a blessed day each and every single day on purpose, guys. Continue to like, share my videos, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. I'm grateful for everyone, who's tuning in so far. Let's headed to a road to 1,000 subs. So let's get there. Much love, guys. Many blessings. Peace. If you like, comment, share, subscribe. Once again, happy Thanksgiving.